Hello students, Logan Phillips here, Professor P. This video we're going to be covering our syllabus and other course documents. Now starting here recently, TCC has switched over to a simple syllabus program, which means your syllabus is actually created by the college itself and then is force uploaded to the Blackboard environment with some tweaks by me. So for our course syllabus, you will go into our syllabus and course document section of our Blackboard course, and this does count for every single section of every class I teach is the exact same layout. So we'll go into our syllabus and other course documents. You will find your simple syllabus as the first link, your syllabus attachment, which comes from the college, is your second link, and your TCC academic calendar, which you will be held to, is here on the third link. Once you open up your simple syllabus, it will show you your syllabus for the class with all information automatically updated from the TCC environment. You'll have to acknowledge your syllabus, and then you'll find here our course name, information. You'll find our course start and end dates, the modality on which we are being taught. Talk to you about the course sections and how similar sections are actually grouped, how to contact your professor. You may only contact me by email. Phone calls are not accepted. My email is logan.phillips1@tulsacc.edu. If you wish to meet with me for any of my online students, we do that in an online environment only that will be conducted through Zoom and recorded. So you'll need to email me and say that you want to meet online, and then we will set up a meeting to meet online. For my face-to-face students, we meet in our weekly classroom meetings. It is an open classroom, a flipped classroom, so you're free to come during regular class hours and ask any questions you have. And the class, what to expect, you're going to be learning about business and data analytics. The grade breakdown, we are 1,000 total possible points in the class. Anything above 900 points is an A, anything above 800 points is a B, above 700 points is a C, above 600 points is a D, and anything below 599.9 points is an F. We do not round up points. Whatever point value you end with is the grade that you will receive based on this scale. Grades are automatically graded for anything that can be inside the course. There are assignments that require my hand grading. Those hand graded assignments are typically graded within 5 business days after the assignment deadline. Now, if you get a modification and your deadline gets extended, it will be 5 days after that extended deadline. You are responsible for monitoring your grades in the Blackboard website. If you see an error or an issue, you need to alert me and tell me what the discrepancy is. Attendance participation. Attendance is not mandatory for any of my classes. Your official attendance for college records will be based on the last date you submitted an assignment in Blackboard. Our face-to-face courses, if you are involved in a face-to-face class, we are a flipped classroom, which means I do not lecture. You come to the class, we are an open working lab. You are free to work on the assignments in class, ask questions, get instruction individually. That way you can use my technology, which I know works and functions. If you don't have the technology home, you're allowed to come there. Mandatory attendance is not a thing I do. If you need to come in and work, you are free to come into work. If you do not need to come into work, you are free not to come in and work. So just understand that. Participation in the course is measured by completing the assignments on time and engaging with the course activities. I do not give administrative withdrawals or incompletes without guidance from the Title IX office or some other higher office telling me that I am required to by law. No assignments which are submitted past the posted deadlines according to your pacing schedule are accepted. The deadline is 5 p.m. The second it becomes 5 p.m., that deadline has hit. Not 5 p.m. and 59 seconds. 5 p.m. on the dot. Anything posted after that 5 p.m. deadline will be counted as a 0 for the class. We don't do late assignments. We don't do makeup work. You're expected to plan your time accordingly and submit work before the due date to avoid technical or personal issues interfering with your grade. Follow the academic integrity policies of TCC. Your textbook, you can be found here. We're a first aid program. You don't need to buy anything. You can find your course description inside the catalog. Technical support, your professor, am not allowed to touch your personal devices, and as a professor, I'm not allowed to touch TCC's devices. So if you have problems with a TCC device, please call TCC. If you have problems with your personal device, please go find your personal IT guru that you use and like, and have them address the situation appropriately. The tentative class schedule is posted here on your syllabus, as well as the Blackboard underneath the sticky note. And then there's a bunch of institutional policies that TCC requires inside the syllabus. All right, that is your syllabus. The syllabus attachment is just more handbook materials required by the TCC, and then your TCC academic calendar will show here with all your required dates, your withdrawal dates, your fall semester dates, your spring semester dates, when your first 8-week class begins and ends, second 8-week, all that kind of fun stuff. This is the dates you'll be considered to buy. If I get a date wrong on an assignment and I post a due date that's outside the course due date, you are of course required to go buy the pacing schedule, which is inside your sticky note. Now, you've noticed on the left-hand side we're getting half marks, 0 marks, full marks, even though I'm sitting here clicking on stuff. That's because the TCC website now does this by time spent. So if you want a full one, you have to acknowledge that you've seen it, scroll through everything, spend enough time on here, acknowledge that you read it, and then it might turn green, check mark, it might not. You're not getting points for these check marks. You could probably just go onto the left-hand side and click them yourself if you so choose. So let's go ahead and click on that and just show you how it's done. Okay. So open it up. Now I can check mark it. We're done. So that's how you take care of those green items on the left-hand side. If you have any questions, comments, concerns about your syllabus or the course documents, understand that this is the material put out by TCC. While it is important, your course sticky note is where your actual due dates and deadlines for your assignments are, and the course guidelines, expectations, and rules are all underneath the Start Here. So while this is your basic documents, this is how our course actually functions. So make sure you get into the Start Here next and look over and make sure you understand everything. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Otherwise, bye guys.